Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited for this video because I'm going to be doing my very first Nykaa haul. I have shopped quite a lot from Nykaa as part of their Pink Friday sale that goes on till 1st of December, and I am excited to share with you guys everything that I have in this box. So yeah, stick around till the end and we will check this out together. Sale goes on till 1st of December. I do not know if I'll be able to release this video by then, but regardless, I still wanted to share with you guys everything that I've bought. Now there's a mix of items, right, from skincare and body care to makeup, so a whole lot of stuff happening right there. Plus it's a mix of products that I have liked and loved in the past, so I wanted to restock them, and also products that I just have never tried but I wanted to try, so I thought that the ongoing discount season is a good time to get those products. So yeah, let's begin. So yeah, let's jump straight in. I'm just gonna pick randomly and talk about the products that I have got. Let me start with the first one right here that I can find. This is the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask that I got. Now I was actually looking for a good face mask to help me with my hyperpigmentation, freckles and just uneven skin tone, and while I tried a couple of face masks, they were like, I was not completely satisfied. So this one, I have heard a lot of good things about this face mask, and they say that it does help with just overall skin dullness. It helps with improving your skin radiance and all of that. So I was like, let me try this out. I got this for around 382 rupees, which I feel is a good deal, and you do get a lot of product here. So I'm excited to try this one out, and here's hoping that this works on my skin. And along with this, I also got a freebie, which is a Foxtail sunscreen. I was happy when I kind of found out that they are giving me a freebie, but like the size is so tiny, but theek hai, travel karne ke liye it's fine. So yeah, I got this as a skincare item, and fingers crossed that it works well for me. Okay, so the next thing that I got is the Dove hair mask. Now this is a repurchase. I have already finished 2 tubs of this one, and this has to be one of my favorite hair masks out there. I have frizzy hair. My hair was not this bad, but of late it's just turned into a frizzy mess, so I'm always on the lookout for good hair masks, and I feel this has worked really well on my hair. So I got this one. Along with this, I also got another hair mask, which is the Love Beauty and Planet hair mask. Now this is in their argan oil and lavender variant, and this is specifically meant for frizzy hair. So again, even for this one, I've heard a lot of good things, and people have commented that this works really well on hair which requires moisture and hydration. So I was like, let me also give this one a chance, and high hopes from this one as well. So 2 hair masks, I think I have like good expectations from this one. This one is, the Dove one is already a tried and tested. So yeah, that's that. Okay, let's move on to another product which I have, actually 2 from Plum Body Loving, and this is their body wash and this is their lotion, and both are in the Vanilla Caramello variant. Now this body lotion right here has been the internet's child all over. It's so famous, so popular, and I caved. I was like, okay, let me also give it a shot and see what's the hype all about, and I am loving this lotion. It is so good, very moisturizing, and it smells so good. It smells so divine, like बहुत अच्छी इसकी smell है. So I'm glad I got this one, and in fact it has really turned into one of my favorite moisturizers. In fact मैं इसको रात में भी लगा के सोती हूँ, तो दिन में भी जब मैं उठती हूँ सुबह, then my skin feels super moisturized. Plus इसकी smell also lingers. The fragrance also lingers for quite a long time, so the longevity of this is quite good. I'm happy with this one. Wash अभी तक तो मैंने try नहीं किया है, but Plum does make good body washes, so I think I'm going to be okay with this one as well. Okay, let's move on to some skincare, and this one. This is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer, and I am not exaggerating when I say that. I got my first tub in January this year, and since then I have been obsessed. And if I can say so, the first tub that I got then is still, like, it's still not empty. Why? I'm just using it every single day, but it's still there. Like थोड़ी cream अभी भी उसमें बाकी है. But it's not just the amount of product that's there in the tub, but the product itself, super moisturizing. And if you have sensitive skin, then really good. I was a little cautious about this because it has snail mucin and all of that, but then I did my research when I got this cream, and thank God I got it, because it has become a staple in my skincare regime, and every single day I do apply it. I feel जिसकी बहुत ज़्यादा oily skin है शायद उतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आएगा, but because it is quite sticky, but for me it works very well because I do have dry skin, like had to get, and I stocked up on this one. One of my all-time favorite moisturizing creams out there. Okay, talking about moisturizers, we also have another one right here. This is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, one of the OG, like just one of those basic moisturizers. So again, sensitive skin के लिए अच्छा है. If you're just in the mood for basic, like just a simple moisturizer, nothing else, then ये काफ़ी अच्छा काम करता है. So I had to also stock up on this one. Now let's talk a bit about some makeup products that I have here with me. Starting off with the Innisfree Dewy Lip Balm. Now मुझे बहुत दिनों से मन था कि मैं ये lip balm try करती, but it's pretty expensive. I think it's more than 1,000 rupees. But इस time discount पे it was around 800 or 825. So I was like, I don't know if I want to invest that much of money on a lip balm, but I had to get this because, yeah, I mean, I was like, I don't know, I was gravitating towards it, and I am glad I got it because it is such a pretty lip balm. Like, I'll show you. See, I don't know if the camera is catching it, but it is in this beautiful cherry color. Let me swatch it right here. Yeah, can you see? It's basically a lip balm in this cherry tint. बहुत moisturizing है, and it gives such a pretty cherry red kind of a tint, almost lip balm with a good hint of tint, if I can say so. So I'm glad I got this. Good purchase, and साथ में इसके साथ कुछ तो freebie भी मिला है जो मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी. Talking about lip products, I also had to get these two. This is the e.l.f. lip lacquer. One is in the shade Moody, and the other one is in the shade Love Bite. So these two are my favorite lip lacquers. ये already मेरे पास है, and any which ways e.l.f. पे 1+1 चल रहा था, so I thought I might as well get it. There's another color which I was eyeing. It is the Cherry Bomb lip lacquer, but by the time I could get to it, वो already out of stock हो गया था, so I could not. So next time I'm gonna buy that color as well. So yeah, I got these two. I've already swatched these in one of my shorts, so I'm going to link it somewhere if you want to check out the swatches for this. But yeah, very good lip lacquers or lip gloss, actually thick होते हैं काफ़ी, and color payoff भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत moisturizing है, and everyday use के लिए मुझे ये दोनों काफ़ी पसंद है. So I got them. Okay, next let's move to some Etude products. Now I got two really fascinating like new products. Generally मैं खरीदती नहीं, but I was like, okay, let me see ये क्या है. One is this Dr. Mascara Fixer. I think this looks more like a transparent gel, so I'm going to check this out. Basically eyebrows and eyelashes पे ये अच्छा काम करेगा. So this is something that I got, and then I also got this Sebum soak pack. I don't know why I got this because I don't even have like oily skin, but I was like, let me buy this because the product looks super cute, which by the way, it is really cute. It opens up like this, and it comes with this really cute puff, and this is the product. It's like one of those cushion foundation situations. ऐसा सा है. Basically, when your skin gets oily, you can just tap the product and वो mattify हो जाता है. But मेरा already Sahara skin, मतलब Sahara dry desert type की मेरी skin है, so I don't know how much of use I will derive out of this, but I still got it just for the heck of it. Try करूँगी, कभी बताऊँगी ये कैसा है. So yeah, that's that. Then I also got some more ELF products which I cannot find. Okay, coming back to ELF, I got this Instant Lift brow pencil. I was in the search of a good brow pencil and I was like, let me try ELF wala, because generally ELF does good products. So this one I got. It was pretty cheap otherwise also, and discount पे तो इसके साथ 1+1 एक और चीज़ थी, which is again something that I have liked and loved. This is the ELF Wow Brow Tinted Gel. इसमें जेल है with some fiber like substance, so आपकी जो eyebrows है वो और ज़्यादा thick और fluffy लगती है. So I stocked up on this one. Oh, I got one more product from Etude House. This is their eyeliner in the shade brown. Oh my eyeliner, yes. And this is what I'm wearing today. It is in this beautiful dark brown, coffee brown kind of a shade. Let me show this. Yeah, that shade right there, almost black I would say. And it's smudge proof, like it's smudge proof, it's waterproof. ये shampoo, soap water किसी से नहीं जाता है. The only way you can remove it is through a cleansing balm या micellar water that is more oil based. So yeah, good product if you're looking for an eyeliner that is absolutely smudge proof and which is just water resistant. This is a good liner. Basic eyeliner है. इसकी brush भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. I mean, इसकी tip brush की काफ़ी सही है. You can just easily draw your line. So I got this one also. Good one, good eyeliner. I like this. Okay, then finally I have this perfume set from Pilgrim. It is their French Love collection and it has 3 really cute travel size perfume bottles. I have not actually tried how, like I've not sprayed these on, so I don't know how they smell. So let's do it together. Let's start with the first one. I think this is called French Date. French Date. This is in this very pretty glass bottle and it has hints of light pink. Let's test this out. Wow, it's very fresh. It's like a mix of flowers and fruits. I know that's not the best way to explain how it smells, but yeah, it's pleasant is all I can say. Good perfume. This one seems like an everyday kind of a perfume. Let's try the next one, which is again like super pretty and it's called French Kiss. Okay, let's try this. Oh, this one I like. It is more fruity, smells super pleasant, super sweet and just very elegant, very feminine. I like this one more. This is what? French Kiss. If they release this, I don't know if they've released this in the bigger proper bottle, but if they do, I will purchase this. I'll remember the name, French Kiss. Then there is the third one, which is called French Fantasy. Let's try this one out also. Ouch. This is strong. Yeah, this is strong. I feel this is a little more masculine than the other two, but it's nice. It's warm, I feel. Yeah, it has. Okay, they've given the ingredient list. I think we should have just taken a look at that. Warm, woody, spicy. Yeah, it's spicy for sure. Yeah, good one. So I'm happy with this set. It's actually great for gifting purpose also. So I got this one. I'm happy. About a few freebies that I got with the Etude House. I got the lip and eye makeup remover, which is cute. It comes in this nice travel size bottle, very useful. So this one I got. Then again, I think I'd already mentioned it. It is the Foxtail Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen SPF 50. Again, travel size. I was expecting a bigger size bottle, but it's okay. I'll still use it when I'm traveling. So that's that. Then I got another travel size cleansing foam from Innisfree. It came with the lip balm, the Innisfree lip balm. So yeah, very tiny, good for traveling. So again, I was expecting a bigger bottle, but okay, got this one. Then I got 2 freebies from Plum. One is the Hall of Fame Trio Cleanse, Moisturize and Protect. Haven't even opened it to see how this is. Let's do it together. Oh, okay. So basically we get their, oh nice, you get a face wash, then you get a clear moisturizing gel cream, and then you also get a sunscreen, so that's good. And then finally the final freebie that I have is the Plum Bulgarian Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Serum. Gonna try this out. Let's open this also. This is obviously in their proper variant. Nice. So this is what I got. Okay, so that was everything that I got for my Nykaa haul. I know it's not like crazy shopping or anything like that, but honestly I am in that phase of my life where I just am very conscious of what I'm shopping, and I don't want to just splurge my hard-earned money. So I want to shop all those things that I genuinely want to shop for, and this was that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you also found products that you want to purchase, like good recommendations. Let me know, and also let me know what you have bought from Nykaa and what are products that you are liking. I would really love to know so that I could try those out as well. With that, I'll see you next time, but before we do meet one another again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, because it'll really help my channel grow. Alright, with that, I'll see you later. Bye.